Hi, I'm Mike Seaman. I'm remodeling this house. I'm a realtor and I want to show you one of my favorite things that I've been using in this remodel. It's this light or this light. Hopefully you can see them both. Now this light is on and above me there's no insulation, and that makes these lights really fantastic. They're really easy to work with, and let me show you why. Be careful if you're up on your own countertops messing with your lights. Two really cool things I'm going to show you. One is this new kind of wire nut. I'll show you that in a minute. I just want to show you conceptually what's going on here. Now this is a LED light, and this LED light is super unique, but not that unique actually. I'll put the link on Amazon, but you can get it anywhere. And ow, that really hurt my hand. This little mouse trap that hurt my hand. Now, I'm going to show you how I install them. And you can get your electrician to do them, and it'll save your electrician time. And if you're not comfortable doing the wiring, you can do the work from down here as well. Now, to cut these holes, they give you a pattern. I got this 6-inch saw attachment for your drill, and you just go whoosh, and it drills a perfect hole. It's like 30 bucks. You can get them, or you can just get the old drywall saw. Now, what snapped my finger, that really hurt actually, these little mouse traps. So the way this works, you take this flat LED light, okay, and you literally just pop it up and you install it, and it hangs there, and that's it. There's a junction box, but there's no way to hang it. The junction box actually just sits on top of the drywall, and here it is, okay? So you get this kit with this wire and this wire to the box, and then the connection happens in here. Now your electrician can do that, and like I said, if you want to save your electrician some time and use some money, what you could do is you cut the own holes, you take this, you just put the box up there, let your electrician go up there, let the professional do it, and all you have to do is connect the wire, screw it in, and tuck the wire in, and you take the little mouse traps. There's a little rubber gasket that's kind of helps seal the hole from drafts. You get the mouse traps in. Boom. That's it. I got a little paint on there. Now this works really well when there's no insulation above. If you cut into this and there's insulation, that's all going to fall down. Now just count on that. I had that over in this part of the house. I actually just taped a garbage bag, and as I cut, some of the insulation fell. Not a ton of it. It does change things in terms of the mess. Now, if you have a rafter or any kind of wood in the ceiling, typically it's not a problem, because those mouse traps, the little ways to hold on, you can just move them around. So if the stud comes right through the middle, you can just literally turn the LED any way you want. This one I have is a little bit more of a yellow light, a little warmer light. It's right over the sink. I can use just this light when I want evening light, or in the morning it's not super bright. All the other ones in the kitchen, these ones that are around the rest of the kitchen, are very bright white light, a cool light, which is I think better for, well, it doesn't matter what I think it's better for. The point is you can get them any color you want, any shade, any temperature you want. I'll put the link to Amazon, and they're super helpful. Now these actually come with these similar wire nuts, and I'm going to show you this one. Hopefully you can see this well. So this wire nut, it's not a nut, but it's a way to connect wires. So you take all your white wires and put it in here, black, ground, whatever. If you're not an electrician, don't bother. Maybe your electrician is using this. In these lights, I take a white wire, snap it in, then I take the white wire on the light, snap it in, and then I take the next white wire that's going to the next light, snap it in. So it's a way to get 3 wires connected. It's much more secure than your basic wire nut, and you can just unsnap them, take the wire out. It doesn't damage the wire. You don't have to worry about taping the wire nut or worrying about the wire nut coming out. It's super secure. This is a new thing. I'll put the link to this on Amazon. They come in different sizes. This is relatively small. It's about the size of a wire nut, so it should fit in all the applications. Changing an outlet, changing a switch. And they come in bigger sizes if you have bigger gauge wire. I think the bigger gauge wire you get, the more likely you are to be using professional. But for little household stuff, outlets and whatnot, 14 gauge wire, this stuff works well. Thanks for watching.